Hey guys, Jonny and Lauren's back for the next episode of Manufactio.
Hello.
And we have changed the base up a little bit.
Actually,
we can take off our respirator now, which is exciting. Like, I fixed a lot of the carbon, and now we don't die over here.
Yeah, well, we still get... The sky becomes yellow when we move into this trunk.
Yeah,
But
there's
it's
a lot
fine.
of sulfur, but to ignore the sulfur problem, we decided to get rid of most of our grass.
Yes.
We've swapped out the pathing, like just the dirt paths, for stone slabs. I'm struggling to think what I'm saying. I also went and mined a bunch of basalt.
Basalt?
Is that what it's called?
Yes.
We put that round everywhere inside. We've got some steel fences around. Added a bit more of a path along here, and it's looking quite nice, I think.
You have been busy.
Yeah, as have you. You
Yes.
have been building our newest building some more.
Yeah, just a little bit.
Yeah, it has some of a roof now.
It does have some of a roof. It doesn't have a full roof because it was taking a little while. But if I go up here... Oh, I also...
I was going to say, yeah, you might want to mention that.
So we now both have the steel hooks.
Yeah.
It basically lets you sort of slingshot.
Yeah,
Between-
I failed twice already.
Yeah, you
but
failed.
There we go.
So you can sort of like fire one hook out with C. If you fire two, you will sort of be suspended between the two of them, which actually made building these a lot easier than I thought.
It is quite a useful tool.
And then you told me the other trick about the Quark K thing, which just meant it was really that much easier.
I thought you knew. I'm sorry.
I knew it was in Project Ozone. Did not know it was in this pack.
Do you have a slab so we can show what you mean? Here, I'll just mine one up here. So basically, if you press K on your keyboard, you'll get this little icon show up. And that means if I put this stair down, it will always orientate to the right, because that's the way I was looking. But you can also do it where, like, if you do it again, it will like put that little arrow that shows it's always going to put it at like the top side. So you can do upside down stairs without actually having to hit the right side.
Yes.
And if you just press K twice looking in the same direction, it will go away and go back to normal.
Yep.
So,
Wow, are you done breaking my roof?
yeah.
Okay.
I broke one piece. It was like totally justified. Although, I forgot as well, like our pollution room, like we expanded the pump operation underneath. And that's what these are for here, to remind me how to get downstairs. And probably shouldn't be using a hammer for this.
Probably
An
not.
axe is much better. Where is the... Do I not have a shovel? There's a shovel. Found a shovel. I clearly did not do this in a very sensible place. We should really make a staircase down or something. But now we have all of the pumps hooked up to all of the blast furnaces, and they all come along. And if you go outside, Lawrence, you can show off the back.
Yep. So we've got these nice little hills. I'm assuming that's what you wanted me to show.
I forgot you didn't know how the whole thing worked.
I do, but there's the vents
so that's the vents coming along, going
and
into
then
the building.
if we go into the building, there are a lot more chimneys in here.
Yes.
Chimneys?
Chimneys.
Shh. But we've also expanded our farms out because, we needed more food. To be fair, we should probably harvest some of this.
Yeah, well, I've harvested like 3 times already. I think we're good for a minute on food.
Okay.
I've actually ran out of bread. So yeah, you harvest some.
Yeah.
But back over in the new building, we have put some lighting in the floor as well. We just used the forge micro blocks to get the glass sort of quarter blocks.
Yes.
And then put some glowstone nooks underneath. And we've basically got lighting throughout here now, which is nice.
Oh,
We
that's
did
quite nice.
move over our laboratory for red science as well, and make a new one for green science, which is inserters and conveyors. And we also set up the other assembler like we said we would for inserters. So we've got like a little stockpile of stuff now. We have just
been
over
productive.
300 green and 500 red. So I think one of the first things you wanted, Lawrence, was in exotic military.
Was it? I thought it was the capsules.
Oh yeah, you won the capsules first. I forgot about the capsules. Okay, they're actually way cheaper. So one in Factory Basics we missed is the Capsules, and these are handy devices. They allow you to move parts of your base with a few clicks of a button. They can also be upgraded into blueprints, allowing you to easily build large copies of your base as long as you have the other materials. There's also a few default ones in the pack, which is actually how I built the laboratories. You can just craft them, which is quite nice. Except laboratories, one of those words I can never spell.
LAB.
I've got it now.
Okay, good, because I couldn't go any further.
Yeah, but we did have some lapis from loot bags, so that was easy enough to do. But for the quest, we need to make a capture base. And this looks reasonably easy. Some cobblestone, a compass. What's the chance of it being over here? It's not over here. It's in the other building.
I've made a ton of bread.
You've made a ton of bread.
Yes.
This is good, because I'm still eating the poor, helpless animals from around. But it's fine. We'll get on to bread soon. Compass. Where did you put this compass? You told me you got a compass from a quest reward.
I think it's in the one with the hopper from the conveyor belts.
It's in the one with the hopper from conveyor belts. What are you talking about?
You know, the stuff goes around the conveyor belts up the top, and then it drops down into the hopper.
That was so helpful.
I've got it. It's fine. I knew
it.
what I was talking about.
Also, before people go and tell us that we can use chutes rather than just having it fall into a hopper, they glitch out in multiplayer, so
yes, they do.
We can't. They look good for the person that placed them, but they look like broken conveyor belts for the other person. Where are you going with the compass now?
I don't know. I was running away from you.
Well, come on, bring it so we can make this thing. Right, so I need some panes and some cobblestone, which we actually used a lot of for the stone slabs. So hopefully we've still got enough. We have plenty. I just need... Oh, we need a torch. Ooh.
I think we might have a torch.
We have 4. Am I right in thinking you can't craft torches?
No idea.
Yeah, you've got to get them through loot bags, so that could be an expensive item. What am I missing? There we go. Capture base, done. I feel like we probably need more than one.
Probably.
I don't know how these work. I feel like we...
But quest complete.
Quest complete, yeah. Quest complete with more questions.
I'm now holding an empty capsule, and it's showing a box around stuff.
Oh, so that's depending on the capsule you have, I bet, because there is other capsules. So if we look at the @capsule mod, there is like a 3x3 one as well, which is got a sensible recipe somewhere. Iron chest and a button. I think we should be able to make a chest, maybe. Nope. Where is all our wood?
I think we used it for stuff.
Planks. We really do not have a lot, though. Oh, yeah, that's fine. Here's some. Did you manage to capture something then?
Yep, I did. I captured these stone slag bricks.
So how does it work?
I put 3 in the pillar, and then I activated it with the empty capsule.
Nice. So anything in that 3x3 area, I guess, gets captured.
But then once you use it, you can use it to like move around. So if I go outside, once the lag has gone.
Oh, I'm not getting any lag spikes today.
Yeah, that took a while. But if I place that down, and I hold the empty capsule, it still shows up the box around that.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, I can then move it.
That's nice. But that is just for like one thing. What we probably want is you want to template a bit of the roof.
Yes.
So we probably want to make that into a blueprint, which needs an unlabeled capsule and 2 lapis. We have some lapis still. So is that an unlabeled capsule you have?
Yes, it is.
Okay. Do you want to put it in here and see if we can get one of them then?
Okay.
So there's the button. So if we make this into a blueprint.
That is not showing as a recipe.
No. I'm going to take it out because I can also see the server on my screen at the same time, and it went crazy when I put that in.
We will not do that.
Okay,
then.
We'll maybe play with them in a bit, but that is not working very friendly at the moment. But there are a few other options for sort of building on scale.
Yes.
And that's the RFtools scanner and builder and the building gadgets. So I think we're going to go fetch some of our research and make those. I think that's a good shout.
Yeah, I think that is a good shout.
So the building gadgets are super useful. They just help you place blocks quite a bit. The builder from RFtools, though, you can actually make like full templates, which is quite nice. Well, I suppose you can with building gadgets as well. Yeah. They have the copy and paste tool. Although I do not see that in the quest line, so I don't know if that's one you can get. So 50, you know what, let me just grab a bunch of red and green science, and we'll see which ones we need. So there's 50 for the RFtools scanner and builder, and then we have 125 of each for the building gadget.
That's...
Yep. And then we also actually kind of want the tool belt, I think.
Yes.
And that gives us an extra row of inventory space. And that sounds very handy in this pack. So, I didn't pick up enough red science. I've already submitted some, so don't submit it.
There you go.
Cool. So, you managed to claim all them, okay?
I have.
Nice.
There you go.
Did I claim them all as well? I did. So, I believe this tool belt upgrade you literally eat. Like food. Oh, you actually have to be hungry to eat it. That is a problem. I will take off my food.
Yep.
And I'll eat that as soon as I get to being hungry.
Run around for a bit, I guess.
I figured we'd just look at how to make these building gadgets in the meantime.
Yeah, that is a good shout.
Or if you want to look at the RFtools thing.
I will look at
the copy and paste gadget. Doesn't have a recipe. It's there. This is really cheap. Actually, do you want to make a charger and I'll make us building gadgets?
Okay.
Yeah, because we need a way to charge it up once we make it.
Charging station?
I think, there's one from Immersive Engineering from
There's also one from Tech Guns.
Oh, okay, well, you pick whichever one you want. That sounds like one's easier.
Yeah. Okay. Can I do the one from... Oh, no.
What?
We can't do the charging station. Because it's an unfamiliar item. We need stage R001 first.
Ooh, I did not anticipate us not being able to charge this up. R must be...
I mean,
what would R be?
It's the wires.
It's the wires. Well, we wanted to do wires anyway.
Yeah, we could do that.
Well, let me fetch the other things. Let us grab the stuff we need to make these, and then hopefully when we unlock it, we can make everything. So we realized that we can actually make the Tech Guns charger.
Yeah.
So I'm going to quickly craft the building gadgets, and then have you got all the stuff you need to make those?
I just need to make a couple of steel plates.
I didn't grab the diamonds. Okay, you make the steel plates. I forgot the diamonds.
To be fair, since you've placed all these metal presses down, this is a lot easier. And you've even labelled them all, which helps me immensely.
It's because they weren't labelled to begin with.
Yeah.
I kept having to check by taking the plates off to find out which one I needed to use.
Although I am learning I should not run around here with a magnet.
Oh, yeah. It's annoying because you do still get stuff as it goes between the metal presses.
Yeah.
I really wish they weren't in-world items. But here is the 2 diamonds, and here is our building gadgets, which is nice. And I'm also hungry.
You're hungry.
So, wow. I still can't eat it.
Eat me.
It says eat me, and it wants to give me saturation, but I can't. Right-clicking does nothing.
What happens if you take off the respirator?
Oh, yeah. You can't eat any food because the respirator. I'm an idiot. Or did you already try that and you still need to also be hungry?
I haven't tried it. Nope, okay, apparently you can eat it without it being hungry.
Yep, okay, we're idiots. Yep. Stupid respirator, which we don't even need at the moment. We're just that good. True. But actually, there is your building gadget. Have you got the stuff you need for the charger now?
I am just finishing up. I need some of these coils from Tech Guns. And I think I have gold wire. I have gold wire in my inventory.
Yes, that was actually quite easy to make in the metal presses.
I can't grab that because I haven't put the steel plates in. Stupid work.
I get thrown by that every time.
But we now have a charging station.
Nice. I just realized when I opened up my inventory there that I have this new... That new slider, that must be how you access the other items. Don't know what this button does. Oh, that shows you all of them at once. All of your rows.
That's quite nice.
Yeah.
But I'm going to place this down and try and figure out how this works.
I'm hoping we just shove stuff in and it charges.
I mean, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
that
it's
is loud.
It's quite cool.
It is quite cool. Well, that's enough for me to like at least see if it works. So the default hotkey for this
That
is
was mine.
G. What? No, it wasn't.
Oh, I definitely put mine in.
Yeah. So the default hotkey is G, and probably the most useful thing I find is the build to me.
Yes,
so
that's what useful.
you essentially just shift right click the block you want to build out of, and then build to me will like, build to me, which is quite handy.
Pretty much.
But the range on it is like crazy far. Like I can build all the way out there, which is so nice.
Yes, they are quite useful.
There's a few other useful options in there for okay, if you press G when you're not on not on the building gadgets, it freezes for a second and goes to Mobens, whatever that is.
Fair enough.
But yeah, you also get like surfaces, which is good for doing like floors and things. Like this is going to make building in general so much better. I think actually it remembers the orientation of the stairs as well. So you can actually use that to probably quickly build the roof.
Yeah, I think we wanted to get the building gadget. So should we?
We have the building gadget.
Not
You're
the building
holding
gadget.
The building gadget.
The builder from RFtools is what I meant. They begin with build.
Yes, we did unlock that as well.
But yeah, shall we have a look at what we need and then come back?
So we just had a look at the builder and scanner recipes, and these are all quite easy. The only new thing is the optical sensor. So that's just some glass panes, redstone, and electrum plate. Electrum we've done before, so all I need to do is chuck some electrum through here. And I suppose I could stand here maybe and catch it. Nope. Okay, the one time I wanted to catch it, it goes into the system. But that's fine. So let's look at the rest of it. I think we should have this. Oh, you already put them in there, the engineering ones. There's a couple of inserters, and we need to make an iron pickaxe, which is, easy. So that's fine. One builder done, and scanner. We should just be missing that one thing, which we just need some electrum plates for. Come on. There we go. Maybe. What am I missing? Glass panes.
Yeah.
Done. Scanner. Done. Forgot the copper. Thankfully we have lots of copper over here.
Yes, we do.
Fine. Cool. So we have a builder and the scanner, and I'm not sure if I have used the scanner before. I've definitely used the builder, both for mining and building stuff.
Yep.
The scanner?
Seems
Ooh, this is interesting. So we've been playing around with the builder and scanner now for a little minute to try and figure out how it works, and I think we've got it. So basically you put the shape card in here, and then it shows you a little preview. This offset and dimensions are the things you care about. So for dimensions, we basically looked at the size of our roof bit we want to copy, and we put the dimensions in there, which are 12 by 17, 31 by 11 by 7. And then when you put it in here, it will give you like a box that shows that. For example, if we move down a couple and hit scan, you'll see this doesn't rotate very nicely, but it's showing you a real world area, and you can just play around with the offsets to scan whatever part you want. So we've basically got it so it's the repeatable chunk of the roof now that we've got assigned to the shape card. And if we go ahead and put this in the builder, and let's turn on the preview mode, you'll see that shows us where it's going to build our roof.
Yes.
It looks like it's not going to build it all, but that's because that bit actually overlaps with here. So when we repeat it over and over, it should build it all.
Yeah.
I think Lawrence has even kindly went and put some of the blocks here. So you put a chest above it with all the items that the shape card's going to need, and it should be a case of me just clicking this button. Should I try it? Are you looking?
Yeah, I'm looking.
Let's go. Go.
Oh wow, that is quite fast. And now it stopped.
Cannot find block. You ran out of something, it says.
Pretty sure I haven't run out of the stuff.
Is there like a glowstone nuke up there maybe, or something like that?
It shouldn't be.
But that looks like that was definitely working.
Yeah.
until you decided to not put all the stuff in there.
I did put all the stuff in.
Let me go up and have a look and see what we might be missing then.
Oh, there's a, if the operation is not possible, wait on the current position. If I turn that off.
Where's that about? I didn't know that was a thing. Oh, that's what the egg timer is. Well, hey! Oh, well, that was really, klutzy now. Okay, well, what we should do?
I'm wondering if there's, like, a block of pollution or something up there.
Maybe that could well be
I can see a block of pollution up there.
Ah, okay. Well, that's a good reason.
Yeah, a block of carbon.
Okay, well, that's unfortunate. We're going to get that every time, I guess. So let's see if I got that right. That looks like I got that right. Yep. So I should be able to just hit go. And oh, that's so nice. It's going to build all the roof for us. Did we run out of materials? Looks like we ran out of materials.
Yep.
Slagstone bricks. But that is awesome. I mean, that is such a nice way to build stuff.
A lot easier way to build the roof.
Yeah. Well, not even just the roof, like everything going forward. Like when we want to make a big building, like that's going to be so nice. Like, but yeah. I can't remember what else we were wanting to work on now. That took a bit longer than I was expecting to figure out. But it's nice. The only one thing I'm worried about now is we place this down in the middle. And I don't know if we get rid of this now, if that shape card still knows what to do. I imagine it will. It must be programmed into the shape card. But maybe. I don't know. But anyway.
We'll find that out later.
So, did you manage to eat your tool belt as well?
I did.
You did? Okay, so we wanted to look at power was one of the other things. And this just needs some red and green research again. I think we can do that. There was nothing else, was there? What else did we unlock?
So,
yeah, it was those three things.
I think it was
and
a building
we used
gadget.
All three things.
Yeah.
I didn't look at the exchange you get. Oh, that needs blue research.
Okay.
Well, yeah, we'll do that.
We'll do that later.
Power distribution, detect, submit, boom. So basically, one of the issues we're having is our steam generators can't output even the maximum power because they're restricted by the LV connectors not being able to transfer enough. So we kind of want to upgrade to MV wire where we can. And these have a transfer of 2048 per tick, which is much better. And a max load way better as well. I can't remember what it is, 16,000. So...
Also, you totally just unlock spiders.
Oh, that's going to be annoying. I never even noticed that when I was doing it.
Your favorite.
Yeah. It's, this looks. Steel wire. Okay. Oh, this looks dead easy.
Good thing someone put on a load of steel.
Yeah. Well, where is the steel?
It will all be in that collection point.
Okay. Well, I'm thinking you should grab some... Why would it be in the collection point?
As in the silo.
Yeah.
That's what
I think you meant like
it.
the hopper thing. That was kind of like what you called the hopper thing a minute ago. You need to come up with some names for base areas. Also, that looked like season change.
Does that mean we're in winter?
I actually don't know what we're in.
It's so hard to keep track.
Yeah, well, it's a server as well, so it just keeps on running. But are you converting some of that into wires?
Yep, I bought it.
Awesome. Did you put it on? I can't even hear the machine gun.
No, I just need to turn it from blocks into ingots.
Oh, okay. You can do that in your inventory.
Shut up. Shut up.
So MV wire coils, these need...
Just like a stack or two.
Yeah, I'd stick on a few stacks.
Okay.
Like, we're going to need so many wires. Like, you can never make too many. But for the relays and things, that's nice and easy as well. It's just some hardened sand. No, hardened stone is what I was trying to say. And some iron. Oh, there is something else I'm thinking of now.
Oh.
Which you thought of, actually.
Oh, okay. That's because I'm super clever.
And you totally don't remember.
No, I totally don't.
You wanted to make the engineer's toolbox.
Oh, yes, that would be useful.
Yeah, that would be useful. Maybe you should go make it.
Okay.
Where are you?
I am in this building.
Okay, I found you.
That building.
I know, I threw them all. No, I gave you too many.
What did you give me? Oh, I have not claimed that. I need to claim that reward.
Oh, I take it you're just throwing them on the floor infinitely right
No,
now.
I had stuff in my inventory, but I went to mouse over it, and it's just like, you don't know how to use this item. It's like,
Okay.
oh, I probably should know how to use this item.
I went home for hardened stone forgetting that goes into our silos. Oopsie.
Silly.
I'll go to the silos now. It's fine.
I've put the steel wire into the bin sorting system
Yes.
thingamabob.
I think that's a good shout.
Yes, because I am super clever.
You are so clever. I probably just don't tell you enough, sorry.
No, you don't.
Right,
It's
here
fine.
is some connectors. I think pretty much everything can run on MV minus the lights. I think the lights are LV. But there's some connectors for you.
Thank you.
We're probably going to need more connectors, actually.
So,
Let me make more connectors. How many did I give you?
you give me like a stack?
Yeah, okay. Well, there's a stack in a bit.
Okay. Thank you.
So how tricky is this engineer's toolbox?
I was just looking at it. It doesn't look too bad. I think I need a wooden storage crate, which needs some treated wood.
Oh no, where are we going to get rose red from?
Who knows?
Oh, let me go fetch that.
Well, there's roses over here, apparently.
Oh, well, I was going to go harvest or farm anyway, I was thinking.
Oh, we do need aluminium.
We have aluminium.
Do we?
How much do we need?
6 plates.
Ooh, is that for 1 or for 2?
For 2.
I think we've got 3 aluminium kits. I think we got them from a loot bag or something. If you go check our house.
I was hoping we have some more.
Oh no, I accidentally harvested some of the actual hemp, rather than just the top half. Oopsie.
Oh no, we've got 10.
We got 10. Oh, well, that's perfect.
That will be fine.
We should probably think about how to get aluminium at some point.
Probably.
Ooh,
I'm sure we will
this
be
is not
using it.
dealing with our carbon so well anymore.
Oh,
Seen a lot of carbon in here. But I did just pick up 50 rose bushes, so it's clearly doing something.
okay.
So are you back in our newest factory building?
I'm not. I'm in our old house, and I'm running over to the first factory. We need to name.
We should
these
name
buildings.
I always wondered why in big industrial complexes they all have stupid names for the buildings.
So you know
I
where
get
you
it
are.
now. Yeah. It's like building 1, 2, and 3 is just not very helpful.
Nope. But I need some creosote, so I'm turning the coke oven on.
No, don't do it.
Once
Why you need
grab some-
creosote?
Because I need some treated wood.
Is there not enough already?
No, we only have 5.
Oh, I thought we had way more than that.
So I'm gonna turn some of our coal into coal.
I made
that
a
will
stack recently. I wonder where that went.
help. No idea.
I don't know either. I don't think they're used in the blast furnaces.
No.
I can't think what I used them for them.
Yeah,
Oh, well.
chuck on half a stack. Of
So
coal.
we just waiting for coal. Actually, no, don't do that.
Oh,
We should probably hook up the pump to that before we do.
Oh, I didn't realize you hadn't hooked up the pump.
No, it's just the blast furnaces. Everything else still vents out into that room.
Okay. Well,
It's a very mediocre solution.
you haven't been doing your job then, have you?
I never said I was going to. They're the only things that
that's a
run
new thing.
all the time, so they were the main things I was concerned about. We should probably do the generators and boiler, but
Yeah, it's not a huge amount.
I'll just go down next to the blast furnace. So where is the vent? Can we even easily do it? Oh, we totally can easily do it, yes.
I was gonna say, it looks like there's one right nearby it.
Yep.
Also, that chest just vented stuff.
That what?
This chest here is venting sulfur and carbon.
Oh, sulfur goes through the chest.
Yeah.
I did not know that. Okay, well, we need to fix that. Just put a slab there or something. We'll fix the chest thing in a minute.
Okay.
Also, there's polluted dirt here.
Oh.
I did not know we were getting polluted dirt under our base.
Oh, that's slightly alarming.
That's interesting. Did I turn that on? Nope, there we go. It's turned on now. Okay, so this won't keep up because I think the coke oven actually makes too much for one vent, but it will deal with some of it. And that's all that really matters. We've got polluted dirt up there again now as well.
Oh,
What?
that's not good.
I thought I needed to rain for polluted dirt.
Yeah.
And that's got a roof. So, oh no, there's a bit of the roof missing. I guess the sulfur acid rain's eaten through the roof now as well.
Oh, okay. We should probably look at dealing with sulfur soon-ish.
Pollution's ages away before we need to worry about it. Like, I don't think it's a big deal. I mean, we could do basic. Wow, this is only 25 science each.
Oh, okay, yeah, we probably could do.
But that's just for carbon.
Oh,
That's just for carbon. Like
Carbon
the
isn't
next one, we need to get into plastics, electric engine, military processing, and basic filtering. Which I feel like
sounds like a lot of
plastics
work.
is like an oil is maybe the next thing we need to work on.
maybe, yeah.
I think. But let us get whatever you were working on. I forgot. Get that done first.
Okay, so I need some treated wood. Have you hooked up the thingamabob?
I have
Coke oven?
no idea what you're talking about.
The coke oven. Have you hooked it up or not?
There's a pump on it, yeah.
Yeah, so I can
did
start
I-
using it to do stuff.
I didn't know you'd stopped using it.
Yeah, because you said not to.
I said it wasn't hooked up. Did I say stop doing it?
Yes.
Alright, I didn't think I did. My bad. Yep. Get
If-
making stuff.
Yep, right. So once I have some coke coal, we can do the toolboxes. But what else can we do in the time being?
Well, we kind of need to get replacing some of these LV with MV.
Okay.
I don't know if that's really a fun on-camera thing, to be honest.
Should we come back after we're done?
Well, I think so. One of the things we're going to have to figure out at the moment, we do have a lot of these split going lots of different ways, so that no wires got too much things on it. I don't think we need to care as much once we upgrade to MV. The only thing, like I say, we need to worry about, I think, is see that pump isn't even dealing with nearly enough of the coke
Yeah,
oven
no,
stuff.
that's just floating up there. Oh,
But yeah, I think we can get away with connecting more stuff on the same wires without having to split them out. So I think it
Okay.
should be a case of just ripping everything out and tidying it up a little.
yeah.
But yeah, I think we should go away and start working on that and then just get the toolbox wrapped up. So we've just been making our first MV wire, which has been finished, I guess. I went to have a look there and it's finished.
Ah.
But let me grab some more. I don't know why that's just froze.
Yeah,
I've completely froze. That froze so bad there. That was really bad.
wondering if we have too many items in the world.
No, it's snowing.
Oh.
Oh, no, I don't think it's. I think it's just every time like Minecraft goes to clean up the RAM, it just goes a bit crazy. But these are basically just made with 4 copper wires to 1 steel wire, and that should make 1 MV wire.
Yay.
But carrying around all these connectors and stuff is getting a bit of a pain.
Yes.
So Lawrence hopefully has the solution now.
Yep. So, I've finally got enough treated wood. That coke oven is so slow.
Yeah, that's pretty bad.
But, so if I craft 2 of these wooden storage grids, and I've made the 6 aluminium plates, and I've got the 4 rose red. The 4 rose red was really expensive. But there you go. We've got 1 engineer's toolbox and another one for you. Where are you?
Let's see. I'm right next to you. Yeah, this thing's actually cool on 2 accounts. One is like a nice portable inventory where you can put all your wires, and I think there's specific areas for things like tools and wire. Tools go up here, wires go here. I think maybe it's just anything in the bottom. Yeah.
I think so, yeah.
Food at the top left. Didn't know you could put food in there. But the other cool thing about this, I don't know if you know, is you can. It doesn't help that we have slabs everywhere, but you can shift right click to put it on the ground,
Oh, okay.
which is kind of cool. I think it's kind of cool.
Yeah, that is quite cool.
And shift right click lets you pick it back up, it turns out.
Yeah.
I did not know that.
Oh, okay.
I learned something new today as well. Well, a lot new actually. I didn't know how to use the scanner before, and that's kind of cool. We do need to get more brick to get that sorted. It's so
Yes.
weird that it's snowing here and not here. It's like, yeah, we need to finish the roof.
Yeah, we really do.
But I think that's a good place to wrap up. So we'll get the wiring done, upgraded where we can across the base. Hopefully get a bit more of the roof done. But as always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll be back soon. Bye.
Bye.